heal with zeal.
Together, we navigate
New frontiers.
Warm regards, my dear teenagers, teachers, parents, and my colleagues. This is Dr. Pallavi Khare from the Navi Mumbai Indian Academy of Pediatrics. Today, I am here to highlight the importance of yoga in the overall development of an adolescent. Yoga is an age-old technique developed in our country by the rishis and acharyas. The texts like Upanishads have a separate chapter on yoga. Yoga has a series of exercises which involves the coordination of body and mind. Our forefathers rightly knew how tricky this adolescent phase in the life of every individual is, and so the child from an early age, as early as 7 to 8 years, was sent to a Gurukul where he was given training in yoga apart from other studies. Yoga relaxes, trains and strengthens both body and mind. No grudges against the gym, but should we be focusing only on developing six-pack abs? Our mind should be calm and relaxed as well to face the challenges in life. Yoga is a proven technique. In one study in New York, mental health problems were seen to affect 1 in every 5 young people at any given time. Since to face all the problems such as stress, tension, depression, anxiety and more, our intellectual level adolescents are targeted first. Yoga in its original sense assures physical and mental health. All the techniques are in harmony with nature, meaningly no loud sounds, no heavy costly equipments, no additional health supplements. Done with consistency, faith and accuracy, it has the potential to help in the cure of many physical and psychological ailments. Let us see how yoga affects the mental health. As we all have understood, in an adolescent, the physical and psychological maturity do not go hand in hand. Center responsible for the control of emotions, judgment and planning, that is the prefrontal cortex, is not fully developed until the age of 22 to 24 years. As against this, the physical maturity accelerates much earlier. It is like a rabbit and a tortoise race. Due to this, the stress response, anxiety, depression is more in adolescents. Yoga practices like asanas, meditation, pranayams and shavasana are recognized relaxation techniques which calm the mind. Around 8 weeks of pranayam practices have shown to reduce generalized anxiety neurosis on the anxiety scale. Specific yoga breathing pattern has shown considerable improvement in OCD cases. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, a known technique of pranayam, balances nervous system and induces calmness. In a selected group of study in subjects with mild to moderate mental retardation, yoga was introduced as an alternative medicine along with targeted therapies, and they were found to have improved locomotor skills. Let us see the role of yoga in balanced physical health. Maybe this is what every teen wants to listen to. Here too there is a good news. In just 1 month of regular yoga practice performed in a correct way, it helps to normalize the BMI. It increases the flexibility of joints. It develops strong but tensile muscles. It slows the process of aging by washing away free radicals. It decreases the blood glucose levels. A simple practice of Surya Namaskar or the sun salutations activates around 97% of muscles of our body as against only 30% in conventional exercises. How does the yoga affect the heart and the lungs? Exercises and pranayams together has shown beneficial effect on heart and lungs by improving cardiac output, reducing heart rate, reducing body weight, reducing blood pressure, improving exercise tolerance, improving vital capacity and tidal volume, increasing oxygen consumption and carbon dioxide elimination, reducing the severity of asthma and lung related disorders. In intelligence, memory and learning, 14 weeks of yoga practice shows improvement in creativity, IQ and verbal and spatial memories. Role of yoga in sexual health. Yoga practices aid in the delay of degeneration of pineal gland, which is the center of sexual maturation. If pineal gland degenerates early, the whole confusion starts at the wrong time and the adolescent becomes restless. Excessive physical attraction may develop and premature sexual advances are made. Shambhavi Mudra, focusing at the center of the eyebrows, adds to delaying in the degeneration of pineal gland, the maximum benefits of which are obtained if started at early age. It also balances the vital energies. There are studies where yoga is used as a sole therapy in the following disorders: anger, headache, idleness, obesity, schizophrenia, stress and tension, addiction, and reassuring results were found. Yogic practices do carry a caution note. Please remember, yoga has to be done correctly under guidance and supervision of a yoga guru or expert. This will ensure that only those practices are done which are suitable to one's body. So, considering the widespread spectrum of benefit of yoga practices, there remains no doubt that yoga should be introduced as a regular practice in early school years and continued to secondary and high school and also to junior colleges. Yoga is not about touching your toes, and fitness is much more than a gym. It is about unlocking your ideas about challenges and transformation. Thank you.